Are you looking for a fun way to add a little farmhouse charm to a room? First, start by ripping plywood sheets down to 6-inch wide planks. You can use a table saw to do this, or a skill saw with a rip fence like we did. Next, you will router the top and bottom of the plywood planks so they fit together. Using the chop saw, cut the planks down to your desired length. We opted to paint the shiplap planks before installing them. Next, remove your baseboards. There will be some extra plaster under your baseboards, so simply scrape it off. Lastly, turn off power to the outlets or light switches and remove the covers. Now it's time to start assembling the wall. Attach the bottom boards with a level. Have one person hold the board in place and the other person look at the level and nail in the first board using an air compressor. Continue to stack the boards and attaching them to the wall. Lastly, attach your baseboard. You'll need to add electrical box extenders to your outlets and lights to bring them out to the new level of the wall. Caulk the gap on the top and the sides using a caulk gun. I hope this inspired you to use the shiplap accent wall technique in a room in your home.